Hello friends, we will we will discuss the remaining part of the first chapter of the social science grade 7. Now let's begin. We will continue from the fourth point and we were discussing the archaeological sources. The fourth one is sculpture of the medieval period were mainly statues of the gods, kings and queens. They were generally made of bronze and stone. Okay, and this give information about the hairstyle, costumes, ornament of the medieval period. ये जो है हमारा फोर्थ आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्स है, इसमें गॉड्स गॉड किंग इन सब के स्टैचूज बने हुए हैं और दे आर मेड ऑफ द ब्रॉन्ज एंड स्टोन एज वेल. ओके, इनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन, इनका हेयर स्टाइल, ये कैसे रहते थे, ऑर्नामेंट, ये जो है, ये जो हमें सब इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन इज इंस्क्रिप्शंस आर रिटर्न रिकॉर्ड्स जनरली डीलिंग विद द रॉयल ऑर्डर्स. रॉयल ऑर्डर वी ऑलरेडी हैव डिस्कस्ड, that is also called farman, or information about the donation to temples, villages. Some of these were related to the achievement of the kings and they were engraved means to write on, to carving on rocks, stones, copper plates or temple walls. The study of the inscription in the scientific process is called the epigraphy, and this question can come in 1 marks. And what is epigraphy? Epigraphy is the study of the inscriptions. Okay, next, these inscriptions give us detailed information about the social, political, economic condition of people in India in the medieval period. And these statues of the Pallava sculptures. Okay. The role of the historians. The historians have to analyze all the sources while writing their account. A historian's chief responsibility is to examine and interpret all the sources and write an unbiased. What do you mean by unbiased? Unbiased, we can say neutral, कोई partiality ना करना, and systematic historical account. A period of the varied development. The period between 700 and 1750 AD is a very dynamic period because a rich variety of the development took place during this period. New groups of people appeared in India during this, like Turks आए, खलजीज आए, मुगल्स आए, है ना, ये सारे. फिर उसके बाद ब्रिटिशर्स आए. ओके, नेक्स्ट राजपूत, मराठाज, सिख्स, जाट्स एंड होम्स. ये इंडिजीनस मीन्स कि जो अपनी प्लेस से हो, नेटिव हो, जो पीपल बिकेम पोलिटिकली इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दिस पीरियड. नेक्स्ट, the second one is there were new development in the other areas also. New food item like potatoes, corn, chilies, ये जो इंडिया में आई, आलू आए, corn, chilies. The society became more complex as the major caste or varnas got divided and subdivided further for जातीज और सब कास्ट. जो हम जाति कहते हैं कि कौन सी कास्ट है, कौन सी जाति है ना, वो चीज़ें. Powerful empire like the Khaljis, Tughlaq, Mughal, Cholas, they came up during this period. We already have discussed. Important changes took place in the religion. There was the emergence of Bhakti movement, which he believed that God can be reached through love and devotion. एक भक्ति मूवमेंट थी जिसमें ये कहते हैं कि जो गॉड है, we can reach the God प्यार से, डिवोशन से. नो एक्सपेंसिव ऑफ द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रिचुअल्स वर नीडेड. द भक्ति मूवमेंट ऑल्सो रिजेक्टेड द कास्ट हायरार्की. कास्ट हायरार्की मीन्स कि उन्होंने इस चीज़ को नहीं माना कि कास्ट वगैरह में कुछ ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट उन्होंने नहीं लिया. दे वर अगेंस्ट ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ए न्यू रिलीजन, इस्लाम, arrived in India in the 7th century. The new religion based itself on the worship of the god Allah, before whom all the equally respective of the social economical differences come in India. According to Islam, अल्लाह एक ही है और वो किसी से डिस्क्रिमिनेट या बायस नहीं करता. ओके, नेक्स्ट है द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस डायनामिक एंड द एवर चेंजिंग पीरियड इज ऑफन डिस्क्राइब्ड एज मेडिवल and the long stretch of year 700 to 1750 AD. So tremendous change. Tremendous means बहुत बड़ा change, drastic change. What happened in the 18th and 17th century are very different from the development of the 8th and the 9th century. Therefore, many historians today wonder whether it is justified to label the entire period as a medieval. इसलिए जो लिखने वाले हैं, जो हिस्टोरियन हैं, जो स्कॉलर्स हैं दे आर ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज्ड कि कौन कौन से टाइम पीरियड को दे कैन राइट द मेडिवल पीरियड। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, इसके साथ हमारा ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ सोशल साइंस कंप्लीट होता है। थैंक यू।